I'm a beastman. I always know.
Okay.
I'd be kicking into 5th gear like.
Damn, how much money does he want?
Marink is the Kazakh monger.
This guy wants that. Yeah, you might end up having to just buy that settlement off of him or something.
Who? Norska guy?
Yeah, that's my vassal.
How the fuck am I gonna buy from him?
The Dark Master walks.
Do diplomacy, and then you can yeah, go into diplomacy with him, and
How
then...
no? What's up, Knowles?
So double click
Everyone's...
on him.
All right.
Like on that settlement.
Ready for a headbutting contest.
All right, so now you're in diplomacy with him.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have to pay him off. God damn it! No Bones! Everyone's been playing up. Oh, that's Helix. Helix! You tricked me. Why? What does this change?
Doc Elgramus Nahus Doki. Data Sharmitash.
Oh, rage. Grimgore is coming right now.
Oh, that looks like a lot of fun, Rage. That's like not drag me into that, like at all.
Me? What do you mean?
Holy shit.
I don't want to go to war with the big toxic tree man.
What do you mean? They're just asking me for, or they're not going to war with me.
No? Are they asking you for some money?
Yep.
Yeah, but you give them that.
Yeah, I did.
Good. I don't want anything to fucking do with
I
that.
will still call you
No,
Helix.
I'm not trying to mess with
I will
them
not
yet.
delete that. I cannot.
Don't worry.
I got other fish to fry right now.
Other fish to fry. What are you, like a fisherman?
Yeah, maybe. Actually, I do
Yeah,
like
like,
fishing
you know,
a lot.
something along the lines.
Oh.
Damn. I can't fucking reach.
I don't know what to do.
Just
He's
wait for
coming.
Rage to come. Wait for
He's
Rage.
gonna be here next round.
Wait for Rage.
I'm working on getting there. I'm heading that
You better
way.
start fucking force marching, because he's gonna die in a minute.
Yeah, I am force marching, but I'm doing what I can, man.
Oh, yeah, you're not even gonna be able to kill Village. Village has got a 20 stack. God.
Why don't you
Fuck.
Yeah, God.
try to pay him off or something?
Hey, he's at war with him. You can't.
I'd try to go in a peace treaty or something.
Dude, why the fuck is... See if Kolek will go to war with him. Actually, let me see if I can do that for you. Okay, he's minus fucking 61 for that. He does not want any of that beef.
Let's have you then.
Minus 93.
So I can shove the words right back down your throat.
You know, I don't think Zartan is the best friendly, new friendly legendary lord.
Holy fuck.
Whose praise
You know, you should play Emperor Cole France for real.
Oh god. He is coming in to kill.
Listen, you'll be fine. Northmen come.
Endrin Kuliskun.
Listen, if you're able to hold out for one turn, it's gonna do fucking nothing, but I have a garrison there.
Sumazma.
I'm hoping he just sieges you, or he's, he
Well, no, he's
sieges
gonna
you
take
first.
that.
But yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm hopeful, but I don't see it happening.
Alright. Helix, this is horrible.
Oh, the Skaven are reaching out to me.
Don't trust them.
Trade agreement and... Okay.
They're coming in hard. They attacked my shit and destroyed the shit out of it.
Did they just sack it?
Yep.
He's probably gonna take it.
No, yeah,
Yeah.
they took it.
God damn it!
Listen, it's okay. You have a 12 stack at the vulnerary. You're chinchilla. For a little bit, anyway. I should have played Grimgor. On God, I should have played Grimgor. Don't think it's my outpost. RIP, my outpost for real. Income from raiding.
Maori Tatagio.
Decisive defeat my ass. How was that a valiant defeat? I have 2 armies here, bro.
Maybe it's the terrain.
Nah, Beastmen are good in any terrain.